talk about the banana.
yeah, so the
Banana has really
banana,
awesome origins.
the banana, not only awesome origins, but is a very specific hack. We hacked it, right?
Mhm. Yeah.
One of our friends, Jason, is the guy that said the banana initially. Joseph actually designed the banana. But basically, what we use the banana for is that Instagram, through AI or actual humans, will not allow guns
Basically
to
any
be
meta
shown.
technology.
Yeah, any
Yeah.
Meta and Google and YouTube and X, whatever, they won't allow you to advertise guns. Technically, through Meta, we can advertise holsters. However, if we show a picture of a gun in a holster, even though we're only advertising holsters, it says that we're advertising guns.
Right.
And the only way we can get around that is to have a personal like representative at Meta that says, "Hey, by the way, this is not for guns," and that costs just about $20,000 a month in advertising. So
So
we're not
we're not
doing
there
that.
yet.
Yeah, we're not there yet.
Someday, but
Someday.
we had to be innovative here, and I'm not sure exactly where the idea of the banana came up, but it's something we kind of kicked around for a little while as we were facing this challenge and just getting blocked and our ads shut down. And then we just pulled the trigger on it. We're like, let's
No
just make
pun
a
intended.
banana. Yeah.
So the banana was good, but what we've found is that some folks don't understand what we're trying to do. Like they see a banana and they don't put banana to gun. And so Joe, I had this thought of like, what if what if we had a gun that said not a gun? And Joe, I think it was the same day, whipped out the not a gun, and it looks great. It literally says not a gun. But what we found is that there's a potential that the Meta and Instagram AIs see the letters for GUN gun and they determine that it's a firearm. So Joe has, as of I think today, right?
Yeah. Yesterday.
He made the bang and the pew.
Yeah. I mean, we're basically the whole thought is we're trying to like kind of circumvent this AI scrubbing and censorship of our advertising to use basically gun memes, you know? That's kind
Yeah,
of the thing. Like everybody, I've always had the impression like bananas are kind of this really fun meme. I mean, like who doesn't have a banana mag if you're like into
yeah,
firearms? And so that's why like I think the banana is really great. The pew pew, I mean, everyone's pew pew, bang, like all those type of things. It's really just experimentation to just face this challenge that we have as a small business.
yeah. And hopefully people can take a look at it and see what we're doing. Part of the reason we're making these videos is to, like you said, pull back the veil and show people that like, hey, we're real human beings and we're facing these odd challenges that we're trying to work around and explaining it to you.